issue of politics.
Mbere ya mucirithania Stella Tambo igoti-ini ria Kiambu nikuo uria urari ngavana wa kaunti ya Nairobi Mike Sonko egukinyitio thutha wake kurara thero ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Gilgil utuku wa gukia umuthi.
There is something lighter in that.
Sonko eguthii nambere na gwikara ceceni-ini ya borithi thiku ingi igiri na gucokio igoti-ini muthenya wa kana kiumia giki kumenya kana ni akarekererio na bodi uthuthuria wa thitango ciake ugithiaga na mbere.
Especially touching on the issue of politics. And as a court, I see nothing wrong.
Sonko athitangirwo mahĩtia 12 maria ni hamwe na kwagagia na kuguraria kuingira nyumba ya mundu kiumbe atari na marua, uthukangia wa indo na wici wa kiahinya, kuria mwena wa thitango uma na ihoya ria Sonko gucokio igoti-ini ria Mombatha kuria marua ma kunyitwo gwake maumite.
The disconnect between the purpose of the summons and the charging is either one, the state decided not to pursue the incitement charges, and because already they had summoned Sonko, an afterthought was charge him over that incident in Buruburu.
Mwena wa thitango ni uritie igoti ritikae kurekereria Sonko na bodi amwahota guthoga wira na oho ari na rekodi ya kwaga gutia watho wa igoti ona gutuika itua riri rigakinyanirio muthenya wa kana. Sonko arekinyetie wabici-ini cia DCI muthenya wa ira kugwa mahuri na thutha ucio kuhingirwo ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Gilgil guku Nairobi.
Our client, Governor Mike Sonko, was summoned to the DCI specifically for the question of incitement and the utterances he made in political rallies in regard to the government functionaries in press. I was not available, but my other senior advocates, John Haminwa, senior counsel, and Asa Nyakundi went with it. He recorded a statement over that allegation.
Giribotera Kameme TV, ritora koni Wanjiru wa Foro.